Today's Tuesday Tidbit is what are the advantages and disadvantages of having an escrow account? So an escrow account is when you make your mortgage payment, it'll include 1/12 of your tax bill, 1/12 of your insurance bill. We then set that money aside and we pay your taxes and insurance on your behalf. So when you get a tax bill in January, you don't have to worry about it. We get the same bill at the same time we pay it out of that escrow account. Same thing with your homeowner's insurance, or also known as hazard insurance. So the advantage of escrow is partly what I just alluded to, which is convenience. You don't have to worry about taxes or insurance bills coming due. You don't have to worry about that tax bill in January. When you get it, we get the bill at the same time. We're going to pay it out of the escrow account. It's like automatic budgeting. So one of the advantages is convenience. Another advantage of it is that we monitor the taxes and the insurance. We make sure those bills get paid. So that's also pretty secure. Your insurance company knows where to send the bill. We know exactly when the taxes are due. We know which county to contact if the tax bill doesn't show up. So it's also secure. Not only is it convenient, but it's also secure. The disadvantages of an escrow account are really primarily one piece, which is you could theoretically set aside that money on your own each month and then pay your bills from that account that you've established, and then collect interest on it on your own. So the advantage to it, or the disadvantage to escrow, is that you could theoretically collect interest on that money. And you could collect interest and pay your own bill. Instead of having to worry about automatic budgeting, you'd be responsible for the bill, so you have to plan accordingly. But you could theoretically recover some interest from setting those funds aside on your own, paying less on your mortgage payment, because your mortgage payment is not going to include your taxes and insurance. You're simply going to plan on paying those on your own. We see the vast majority of people in Colorado escrow. I'd say 95% of people plus escrow for Colorado. It works really well with the way taxes and the insurance are paid out in Colorado. It does not work nearly as well in other states. So while it's very common to escrow in Colorado, it's less common to escrow in other states that handle their taxes and their insurance differently. Also, when interest rates are low, people are like, I could set aside a few $100s each month to pay my taxes and insurance, but how much interest am I really going to be receiving? As interest rates rise, more and more people want to escrow because it's more and more money you could receive on your own. So those are kind of the pros and cons of escrowing. With Elevations Credit Union, when you put less than 20% down, you're going to have an escrow account. If you put down 20% down or more, it's entirely optional. Some people like to handle those bills on their own, waive escrows, handle those bills on themselves. Some people prefer the convenience of an escrow account, one less thing to worry about. So to each their own. If you put 20% down, it's all the same to us. Thanks so much. Bye.